got it. What if we get a bunch of writers in a room, and for every episode they come up with a new idea for a show? Right?
That's the dumbest idea I've ever heard. That's the best you can come up with? I bet you didn't even have the imagination to imagine your imaginary friends.
Me and Supreme Overlord Snuffles have been together forever.
Wow.
It's okay, Snuffles, I still love you.
Imagine that.
Don't worry, Jose. I'll write it down in case we don't come up with anything better.
Damn it.
Steady now, lad one.
Roger that there, Houston. I've done this 100 times. Ain't nothing a veteran pilot like me can't handle. Boop.
What you booping for?
Well, they always boop at the end.
I thought you did this 100 times! I know, I'm sorry!
Yes. All right. No!
Houston, we have a problem.